Hello, everyone. I wanted to get this demo in because when I was doing the session, there were some technical challenges, so I was not able to complete the demo, but I wanted to give this as a takeaway. Um, so here we go. I'll start. I'm already sharing my screen. Um, let's jump into this. If you haven't seen Google Cloud Console before, so this is this is where you log in and do all of your technical work. You have all those products that are accessible in the single page. The one that we are going to focus on today is the agent builders. And the way you navigate there is just go to the search console and look for the agent builder. It will be created within your project. And I'll quickly show you how easy it is to build an AI app, AI conversation AI app with Google Cloud. In my session, I talked about the secure foundation that you can do with do before you get onto an AI workload on Google. And once you have that established, you can you can start building an application. Um, and today we'll do an agent builder. So you can create an app, and you have different options available here based on the use cases that you're looking forward to. For now, I'll use a search and assistant. So it will basically search any of your document that you're providing in Google Cloud Storage, BigQuery, or any public websites. So let's create it, and then let's add the Enterprise Edition features. And it talks about what are the features that you can get with an Enterprise Edition, and what are the additional LLM features, like basically combining your LLM with the conversation. So for now, I'll call it a safe test. And then I'll still call it safe test, and then you can decide where you want to put your data. So this is very important when uh, you know because of the data residency requirements. All right, and then you can select your data stores. So I already have some documents that's available here. Um, in my Google Cloud Storage. So what I've done is I've downloaded the safe document from our public facing document from our public website, and I've just added those couple of documents here in the Google Cloud Storage, and I'm using that as a data store. This could be 2 documents. This could be like 2,000 or 2 million documents. So the more documents that you provide, it can answer more questions. All right. So now, yeah. So we went to the data store. And once you select the data store and click on create the agent, it will run for a few minutes and then it will create the agent. But I have already created it for us. So our agent is called save. And it has 2 documents that I've already uploaded here. So now let's start asking questions. So because we know what safe is, let's ask how can customers prepare their team for AI workloads? So there you go. So it basically tells you what are the things that you need to be aware of with respect to the team learning culture, and it takes the input from the document and then it shows it. And this is where reducing the hallucination is important, right? So all of this is based on your own data, and there is no room for hallucination. So here you can have some follow-up questions, and it'll give you the answers for it. So it'll generate the follow-up questions for an user to understand what it is. Now let's see what happens when you ask a question that's not relevant to the documents that was provided. Let's say, how old are you? So no results found. So it clearly shows that it is only providing the answers based on the facts, and it's not making up any stuff. There's no hallucination here. So that's how easy it is to build an application with Google Cloud. Again, I hope this is useful for you. There are a ton of things that you can do, which I hope I can show it in the next next session. Thank you.